Hello again, and I hope you're well. And this is just a little concise 4-minute guide on how you make those beautiful Florentine biscuits that you get in bakeries and patisseries. If you enjoy watching it, please subscribe to my channel. It'll encourage me to make lots more videos, and it costs you absolutely nothing. So do it and make me happy, and take care and stay safe. Okay, so weigh out 125 grams of your favourite Florentine nuts. In this I'm using almonds and pecans, and then I'm going to chop them up as finely as I like. And then I'm going to roast them at 140 degrees until they turn a nice caramel tan colour. 140 degrees is a great temperature for roasting nuts. They don't burn that easily at that temperature. Then we're going to make the caramel for the Florentine. So 55 grams of honey, 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of double cream, and 65 grams of golden caster sugar. Mix all that together and put it on the heat. Nice slow heat. You're going to bring that to the boil. Meanwhile, chop up a load of Glace Cherries, so nice small pieces. And get some uncooked almond flakes. Get all that ready. And you're going to bring this caramel mix to softball temperature, which is around 120, but as you can see, you don't need a temperature thermometer. You just need to be able to pull it out, put it in water, and be able to roll it into a softball. Bang, there you go, that is done. So put in your uncooked almond flakes, Glace cherries, and then the roasted nut mix. Try and keep all that dust out. We don't need the nut dust. And mix that in. Take it off the heat. That's the cooking done for this stage. Mix all that together nicely. Even that tastes amazing, just that bit. So I'm using a silicone muffin tray because when it's cooled, you can just pop the Florentines out before you put chocolate on. So put a small amount of the Florentine mix in each of the muffin holes, as it were. You're looking at maybe 3/4 of a centimetre or half a centimetre depth. Once it's cooked, so you're just gonna have to trial and error that. Put a nice little half a Glace cherry on top of each Florentine. Looks beautiful. Put it in the oven and roast it at 170 degrees for around 15 minutes, and it'll start to develop that beautiful golden caramel colour. And the nuts are all, as you can see, the almond flakes have gone nice and brown as well. So about 15 minutes, 170 degrees, and leave it aside to cool. Let that cool. Meanwhile, we need to temper some chocolate. So we get 100 grams of good quality chocolate. I'm using Callebaut. I'll put the mix, I'll put it in the recipe after. And what you need to do is microwave it for a very short period of time, and then mix it, and microwave it and mix it, and do not melt it completely, and you'll be able to temper it. As long as you keep the temperature below 42 degrees and keep stirring it, you'll temper it without all the chocolate turning grey once it's cooled. It's difficult, but completely doable. So just shock it, very short periods of time, mix it with a spatula, keep it moving, put it back in the microwave, take it out, keep it moving. Yep, and then put tiny blobs on the bottom of each Florentine, give them a shake, get all the bubbles to the top, no imperfections. Flip it over, place it down on a silicone patisserie mat, and then there you go, push it down and give it a little twist, and that is how you make beautiful Florentines. Leave that to cool, preferably 24 hours, but actually if you've tempered the chocolate right, it'll take about 3 minutes for it to set, if you can believe that. Also, if you're using one of these silicone mats, it has a lovely little sort of cross-hatched texture beneath it, so it looks really, really professional. So good luck. This is how you make them. Beautiful Florentine nutty caramelly biscuits, like what you get in all good bakeries and patisseries around the world. Take care, stay safe, please like and subscribe because it will encourage me to make more and more videos. Bye bye.